Mel and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you are new, please subscribe. I thank everyone and appreciate everyone who has subscribed so far and continue to support me in this journey. If you subscribe today, I thank you too, and please do support me for this journey also. So today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my Birchbox for July, and I've just got this, so I will share it with you now. I'm sorry if you can hear any screaming, shouting, anything like that. At the moment, England are playing against Sweden as I film this, and we were 2-0 up when I left my mum and dad's. So it's also extremely hot in here because it's 30 degrees outside. We're still in this heat wave. But anyway, we're going to start this video. So my Birchbox comes like this. The other side's got my address on. But I'm going to share with this box. I really like the print of the box. It's different. Okay, so this is like a proper box, and it's really pastel pink and yellow with like pink, metallic pink Birchbox on. It's really cute. And as you can see, it opens like a proper box rather than the drawer like, which I think is so good too. And basically I think a box like this is so much better. Actually next month I will produce as a video, but I'm going to create my own makeup like subscription box, but I'm only doing one box for my best friend for her birthday, and I'm going to put loads of bits together, and I'm going to use one of these boxes. I'll probably use my tin box that I got last month, because that is what I like, and I think that is really cute for her to keep also, and it is slightly bigger so I can fill it with more things. But keep an eye out for that video. That will be up in August probably, if not September. But I'm going to share with you this box now and what is in it. So I just love the print. It goes really well with my bedroom. This is my bedroom. Everyone who's asking, this is my headboard that I made. I've made this myself. When I moved in here, it matches my curtains, which me and my mum also made. And my theme for my bedroom is grey and pink, grey, pink and white basically. So the baby pink in this is really cute. Okay, so if you've watched me for a long time, you know that sometimes my stuff comes damaged in this. Somehow I have the clear bubble wrap packaging with nothing in it, so I think that should have this in it. So I'll start with this. So this is the Manicada Beauty Step 3 Perfect in Trifecta. This is a 3-in-1 brow, eye and cheek. I picked this one. There was 2 colours and I picked this one, and this is what it is. So I tint my eyebrows normally. My friend does it for me where she works, or where I used to work even. She tints my eyebrows, but I have got a eyeliner tint to do it myself now, and you can probably, I think they really need doing, but you can see that they are slightly darker, and I do keep up with that now. But I will be using this in between, and obviously you can use it for your eyes as well. And your cheeks. I think it's a lovely colour. It's a neutral colour, and it's like a dark colour, which I will use quite often. The next thing I have got, which is a shower scrub, is called What's In It For Me. Walnut shell to naturally exfoliate, sweet almond oil to rejuvenate the skin, plus orange and jasmine flower extracts for uplifting floral fragrance. So this is this. And actually I've just run out of shower gel, and obviously this is a scrub, so it exfoliates. Okay, so it smells quite nice, but it does smell a bit like what my grandmas would use. But it does smell nice, and I think I'll definitely be giving this a go. It's more floral, which I think is what I take as an old person's scent. But I will definitely use this. Obviously it's got, well, I hope it's a good product, and I'm going to try this out for sure. The next thing I have got, which is for eyebrows as well, and it's called Brow Coat Waterproof Brow Gel. Tames eyebrows and sets your brow for makeup, brows and tame eyebrows and set brow makeup for hours. Now I will definitely be using this. As just mentioned, my eyebrows, I tint them, stuff like that, but my eyebrow hair grows quite fast, so when I have them waxed and that, we have to trim them. So every day when I put in my moisturiser on, I kind of use that as my gel, but I will definitely be giving this a go. So this is it. And then hopefully I can get this. Yeah, see, it's just like a wand. So I'll definitely be giving this a go because my eyebrows can go unruly and go all over the shop. So as much as I do keep it up with the wax and tweezering, like plucking them out, I do sometimes feel that after a crazy night's sleep they go a bit wild. So definitely got bedhead on my eyebrows, but this is definitely something I'll give a go and I think will really work for me. So the next thing I have got is the Balance Me Natural Skincare Congested Skin Serum, and it's 99% natural. So this is it. It smells a bit like horse fly spray, so that puts me off a little bit, but I will definitely give this a go. Skincare especially is something I'm really getting into. I like to try different things, and when my skin is quite dry at the moment, I'm trying more to be more adventurous and stuff like that, so I will give that serum a go. And yeah, because I don't really get much of a breakout, I don't really get spots or blemishes, I don't really use the serum, but it's handy to have and I will try it out anyway. So yeah, but this is obviously, skincare is something good to have and to build on it every day and use it every day, but obviously because I don't get blemish and stuff like that, but I will still try that anyway. The next thing I've got, which I so love the packaging, is called Mercy Handy Cherry Love and Hand Cream. This is it. And I love the smell of cherry. I think the actual shampoo I'm using at the moment is a Herbal Essences one. It is cherry scent, and my mum was plaiting my hair earlier and smelled my hair and was like, oh, that smells really nice. It's cherry flavour. I think this is really good. And I think this is definitely a good size to have for travelling, and obviously I'm going on a road trip at the end of the month, so I think this would be good to have in my hand luggage. Also, I think where I'm, the weather is warmer, obviously your skin is drying out, so I think that this is definitely worth a use, and I actually might take it to work after my road trip down into the UK, so in the UK, so I'll definitely be giving this, I'll be using that then, but also I'll take it to work afterwards. So then that is all the products I've got in this Birchbox. So I think overall that is a good box for me, because I will definitely use 4 out of the 5 products. I think this may just be me, but I think eyebrows are key to look right. It's not something you can hide, it's always on show, and I always get compliments on how perfect my eyebrows are, and it's something that I do generally love to take care of and want to take care of, and as soon as anything's out of place I want to get it sorted. So I will definitely use at least 4 of the 5, but obviously anything that I am loving or not using I'm going to give to my friend for her birthday next month. But this is what I got as the leaflet wise is. So this is called generatorsHostel.com. They have given me a 25% code off for their hostels, and this is the leaflet, and it says pick from any of our top 5 destinations: Venice, Barcelona, Madrid, Hamburg and Copenhagen. So obviously just been to, well, last year, the end of last year I went to Barcelona. I would love to go to Venice and I would love to go to Madrid. So it's a 25% code off for premium private rooms to females only, to female only dorms. I'm not very one into going to hostels, but if you have your own private room and shower, etc., why not? So there's a 25% code off. And then this is the book that says Say Yes to Adventure. Say yes to adventure is something that I totally agree with. Go on that adventure, take the right move, say yes and go on it, because you'll have a great time. So it tells me everything that is in my Birchbox. Okay, so the only thing I got that was full size was my Mercy hand cream. Sorry, it's called Mercy Handy in cherry, and that is retails at £4.99. This box cost me £10 a month. Please remember, this is the UK box that I am getting, so it is completely different to the US especially, I know, but also like the Europe one. And then these, the Manicada and the Brow Coat are Birchbox exclusives. So it tells me about all of the products. And then on the back, it's again the share, tag and win to win a £250 beauty bundle. And then it gives me my August sneak peek, which is an eyebrow crayon, which is gold plated or fetch. I think, I'm not sure what I'll go for. And that is it for today's video. If you get Birchbox, please comment down below your favourite thing that you got in your box this month. Or if you aren't, what is your favourite that you saw from my video, from my box? Please let me know. I think this box I'm really pleased with, purely because of the content in it and what I've been liking and loving and what is going to help me. So that is a definite yes and a thumbs up from me. So please give this video a big thumbs up. Please comment down below your favourite subscription box, and please also subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.